Hello, so this time is about paddle. This Head Flash Padel Racket was my first ever racket, and I couldn't be happier with it. I've used it in over 20 to 30 games, and in most tournaments, my wife and I even made it to the podium, both of us using the same racket. It's super light and soft, which is perfect for beginners. You don't need to hit the ball perfectly in the center to get the control, which makes it very forgiving while you're still learning. By the way, on Amazon it has hundreds of reviews and an almost 5 to 5 star rating, so it seems like this racket fits most people perfectly. For your first 6 to 12 months of paddle, this racket will be more than enough to improve your game and enjoy the sport. I highly recommend this for starters, and as always, you'll find the links in description in case you want to try this racket. Happy playing!